Okay. Hello, welcome to today's weekly update on Bitcoin and Ethereum. The crypto market. I welcome you to a new week, and I believe that everyone here is doing fine. And we usually like to do this tutorial because a lot of persons have this misunderstanding, and or they find it difficult to be able to analyze the market and know what to expect for the week. So that's the reason why we actually do this. And if you're new to the channel, I would like you to subscribe and also click the bell button so that I can get notifications whenever we upload videos to this channel. And also we also want you to know that just to make things lovely for you, we've started with we've started updates on volatility 75 and boom and crash for the week. So we're going to be uploading this every Sunday. But it was created yesterday, and it will be uploaded today just for you to be able to run for this week. So I advise and implore you that you go watch it, and we'll be using a specific strategy that I personally use to make the market in the volatility 75 and Bitcoin and crash market. So it's our advice that you actually go over to watch the video, and also take your time to also watch the strategy properly. Take your time to watch the strategy properly so that you can understand the importance of the update, and you will know what you need to look out for throughout the week so that you can be profitable also in the volatility 75 and boom and crash market. So for today, we'll be looking at Bitcoin at an important level. Now, a lot of skepticism is happening because the market seems to be moving back and forth, and there seems not to be anything trustworthy or dependable in the market. The price has been fluctuating between a range of 11,988 and 10,157. So, and this has been happening for over 2 weeks now, and there's been an unrest in the market, and I believe this is as a result of the market trying to gain new highs, in the sense that it might be moving further to our previous mark of 12,824, but at the same time it's tentative. The market is always the market. It has a mind of its own, but we can only predict and expect that things work or move in our expected or desired direction. So for what we see right here, you can see that the market fell from 11,138 right here and dropped to 10,157, and you can see that there were a lot of buyers sitting right there at 10,157, and because of that the market could not drop below this level and started to push up and started to form a bullish pattern. So you can see a bullish pattern still forming right here. If you want to understand what a bullish pattern is, basically just check the description below. You will see the link to the previous videos I created on understanding chart patterns and how to discover profitable chart patterns. So you can see here it's following a bullish pattern, which is, you can see the higher highs and the higher lows. So you can see the higher highs and the higher lows. You can see they're forming, and you can see that we are sitting right here on the 200 moving average. So this is basically a level of consolidation. This is a level of consolidation, and do not forget that when you're trading, it's always best to trade along, or I would advise that you wait for you always wait for your consolidation. You always wait for a breakout of the consolidation before you place your entry. And one of the ways that you could actually wait or confirm your breakout is using the MACD. That's why I always work with the MACD right here. So you can see that the price has touched the 10,773 and crossed it and hit the 11,138 level and made it a resistance, which pushed it back to the previous resistance 10,773 and made it a support. So we are still in between these two levels right here, and you can see that it's reacting. Price is also reacting alongside with the 200 moving average. So what we need right here is a cross to the upper side. So a cross to the upper side is going to give us a lot of confidence, and where we get our confidence is from the MACD moving average cross to the upside, which is our confidence and at the same time our confirmation of a continuation to the upside. So what we should be expecting for this week is we should be expecting more movement to the upside, because I believe that this level right here, which is the 10,773, is a very strong support. So to confirm our movement to the upside, because you can see momentum build up right here, you can see the histogram of the MACD. You can see how compacted they are, you can see how choked they are. This tells you that there's a build up of momentum, and there's going to be a breakout very soon. There's going to be a breakout very soon. But notwithstanding, we allow the market to tell us what it wants to do, then we'll follow through, we'll follow suit. So what we expect though is for this MACD blue moving average to cross above this orange. Once it crosses, then the market tells us that it's ready for the up move. Presently we are in a bullish market. You can see that the market is actually bullish presently, because you can see that even the MACD is already above the zero mark here. It's above the zero mark here. So this was basically a discount, which is also known as a pullback. So it just gave us this so that we could be happy and enter at a discounted price. So what we just wait for is the breakout, which of the moving average, then we'll place our entry. Then we should be looking at targets like 11,443 and 11,988. So that's what you should be expecting for Bitcoin this week. Then for our Ethereum against the USD market, it's usually the same with the Bitcoin market. It's usually the same for the Bitcoin market. And if you check this out, you can see that it's also overlapping and reacting with the 200 EMA. It's also overlapping and reacting with the 200 EMA. You can see that it dropped to this level, which is the 3 to 3 level right here, reacted with it, then it was being pushed further by the buyers, which were sitting at the 3 to 3. Then the market pushed upwards. Then you can see the same thing, just like the Bitcoin market right here. You can see it came back to retest this level, and we have our sorry Then we have our right here we have our bullish pattern being formed, bullish chart pattern being formed. So you can see the higher highs and the higher lows. So then we have our consolidation right here, just the same thing with the Bitcoin. Then you can see that the MACD also had a shrinking of the histogram, and it's above the 0 level, which confirms our uptrend, and it's been crossing back and forth, even in the bullish region. So like I said earlier, for Bitcoin, what we wait for is the market to cross this level, which is the 391 level. And the moment it crosses this level, then the next thing we'll be doing is to let me draw this line here. Okay, so once it crosses right here, the next thing we'll be doing is to wait for the market, since it's made 375 a support already. So we'll just wait for the MACD moving averages to cross to the upper side. Then once we have the cross, then we are good to go for our entry, and our targets should be 414 and 443 for this week. So you can see right here, for another confirmation, you can see this small, you can see something like this. Let me increase this. You can see these are patterns that are being formed. These are candlestick patterns that are being formed. You can go ahead to check the description. Also, you'll see videos on patterns, like I mentioned earlier. You see videos on how to locate profitable patterns, and you can also check how to locate W patterns and M patterns. You can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a W pattern, this is a chart pattern, and this is a profitable chart pattern, because W patterns are usually used to identify levels of if the market is changing or reversing from a bearish market to a bullish market. You can spot W patterns. Then M patterns is the reverse for a bullish market that is changing to a bearish market. So all that I've detailed in the video, and you can get the link to the video in the description below on how you can actually understand how this works. So right here you can see this is basically a pin bar. You can see this pin bar right here. You can see this long wick, even 2 for the matter. You can see this long wick right here. So what we expect is a push up to the upside, and you're good to go. So that's what you should expect for this week. So if you like this video, I'd like you to share with your friends, and also subscribe if you're new to this channel, and also click the bell button, and don't forget to check the description below to see relevant videos and strategies on how you can be profitable as a trader. So I'll see you alongside the week, and don't forget to check in for the strategies that will be uploaded on Tuesday and on Friday. And also don't forget to also check out for our Volatility 75 and boom and crash updates for the week. So I remain your boy Leki. Take care of yourself, and bye for now.